All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my people and my people, my pledge, my devotion. India will be Ambrose party. Alone lies my happiness. Jai
Dikshit from grade 6 sapphires. International news. 99 of invitation expect as results of keep rates unchanged. National news. Micro facing farmer European unit complaint over teams. Everyone. State and sport news is brought to you by any ship from grade 6 sapphires. State news. Telangana implements and India follows, says KCR on National Integration Day. Sport news. Mohammad Siraj taken off attack despite timing 6 wickets versus Sri Lanka. The man of the series donates the prize to ground staff. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue.
Today weather report is brought to you by Airplane of grade 6 sapphire. Weather report. Maximum temperature 36 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Everyone, today thought for the day is brought to you by A Hashta from grade 6 sapphire. Thought we need that education by which character is formed. I repeat my thought. We need that education by which the character is formed. Written by Swami Vivekanandan. Thank you.
I am from grade 6 sapphire. Today's word is brought to you by Mustafa from grade 6 sapphire. Word character, one's behavior towards other. Please, I'll repeat again. Character, one's behavior towards other. Please repeat. Please spell after me. Character. 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 Of the day is brought to you by B. Kiran of grade 6 sapphire. On this day, September 19, 1893, in New Zealand, all women were given votes to right. On this day, September 19, 1965, another woman who went into the space was born, Sunita Women's. And today is celebrated as International Deafness Day. Deafness Day. Thank you. Next, my friend will repeat. Happy morning, everyone. Today, article on Sunita Williams is brought to you by Chirandata from grade 6 sapphire. Sunita Williams was selected as a astronaut by NASA in 1988 and is a variation of two space missions. Her two space first to the International Space Secretary combined latest more than 321 days 10 seconds. Sunita is known for her dedication, hard work and love for science. Thank you.
Shura House here to give a small report on Saturday's Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations. First, we have started with first and second periods we were engaged with normal classes, and 3 and 4 periods different kinds of grades. They were engaged with different kinds of activities like grade 8, 9, 10 they were engaged with idol making competition. Grade 6 and 7 they were engaged with garland making with color papers and lotus making. After that we have continued with potluck lunch, and we have started celebrations at 3 o'clock. Anchoring was done by Shahista of grade 8 and Akshay of grade 9. Speeches continued with speeches by director and principal, speech by Pawan Sanjay sir, bhajana by Rishi sir and team, song performance by Medha of grade 8, dance performance by 6 and 7 grades. Thank you.
Prudhinath of Grade 5 Choral. Hockey is the national game of India. It is a high-speed game played between two teams. Both sides have 11 players each. The goal of all players is to strike the ball into the net of opposite team to score points. There are several equipments for safety of players like helmet, shoulder pads, neck guards, elbow pads, a hockey stick and a ball.
Abacus is brought to you by Nancy of Grade 5 Choral. The abacus is an instrument that is used to calculate or count by using sliding, counters and a rod. It was first used in Europe, China and Russia. It was the world's first calculator. It is used to do addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, square, roots, etc. Thank you. Have a marvelous Tuesday. Next, my friend will continue. The facts is brought to you by Pujari Durga of Grade 5 Choral. Fact number 1. The adult human body has 206 bones while a child body has 300. Fact number 2. The stapes is the smallest bone in human body located in the middle ear. Fact number 3. Sound travels 4 times faster in water than it does in air. Fact number 4. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. Fact number 5. A cloud can weigh around million pounds. Thank you. Have a cheerful day. Next, my friend will come.
Today thought is brought to you by Kartika from Grade 5 Choral. Thought. Forget the mistake, remember the lesson. I repeat my thought. Forget the mistake, remember the lesson. Thank you. Next my friend will continue.
Energy brought to you by Navishri of Grade 5 Choral. Maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Have a good day. Next my questions are brought to you by Mahesh of Grade 5. GK question for Grade 1 and 2. How many vowels are there in English alphabet? Yes, you pick the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 3 and 4. Name the largest mammal.
Repeat again.
I repeat my question. Name the largest mammal. Yes, you pick the right answer. Let us appreciate them. And the answer is blue whale. Question for Grade 5. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Let us appreciate them. Open question for all. Which is the nearest planet to Sun? You pick the right answer and the answer is Mercury. Let us appreciate them. Sport News is brought to you by Tanvishri of Grade 5 Choral. State News. EC team to visit Telangana to assess assembly poll preparations. CM KCR extends wishes for Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Sport News. India wins Asia Cup for 8th time. Tanisha Ashwini enter Hong Kong Open pre-quarter finals. Thank you. Have a fantastic Tuesday. Next, my friend will.
News is brought to you by Suhan from Grade 5 Choral. International news. North Korea's leader wraps up Russia trip with drones gift. Community members in Seattle hold rally demand justice for Jahanavi Andula. National news. New Parliament to host session from tomorrow. Central plans to recall RAF from Manipur. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next, my friend will continue. State and Sport News.